want a business plan for your repair shop that's going to grow your car count, not going to drive you nuts, not going to cost you a pile of money, and it's going to be repeatable? If so, buckle up because we're going to start right now. I'm going to show you everything. Hey, I'm Matthew. Welcome back to Car Count Hackers. We're all about helping auto repair shop owners grow their car count, income, and profit so you can change the lifestyle of everyone you care about. So let me tell you what just happened. I literally just got a message from one of my clients, one of my private car count hackers, and it was a good message, so I thought I'd jump on this video and share everything with you, and hopefully you'll get something out of this. If you do, don't forget to tickle that like button, and feel free to share this with shop owners that you think will benefit. So this started out a little while ago where my client said that he was struggling. I mean, you know, his car count, he could see a steady decline in the number of cars. Profits, of course, were not where they used to be. He had 2 techs, and he was getting to the point that he was concerned he might have to let go one of those 2 techs. And of course, you know, you have 2 good techs, which one do you let go, and does that start a slide? So we got together and started looking at what he could do to bump his car count and get, I can't say instant results, but get things started right away. Remember, I said he was, you know, in a spot he was struggling. It wasn't like he had the bailiff knocking at the door. So we went to work, and here's, you know, what happened. Before I tell you what the message was about, let me tell you and share a simple strategy that I used with him, and hopefully this will help you. And the simple strategy is this. Number 1, identify your low-hanging fruit. Number 2, go ahead and pick that fruit. Go ahead and, you know, reap the rewards from that fruit. Number 3, make sure it's repeatable and you do it month after month after month. In essence, I wanted to build him a little car count machine. So here's what happened. I got him to sit down and generate a simple report from his system and create a list of all the customers that he has not seen from 90 to 180 days old. So in other words, if you were a customer on his list and you had not been in his shop for 90 to 180 days, or, you know, from 3 to 6 months, we generated a list and had you on the list. Step number 2 was simple. Pluck that fruit. How did we do that? Well, it was pretty easy. We sat down and wrote them a letter. Yes, just a plain letter delivered by USPS. And as we progress through this, keep one thing in mind. On average, your letter is going to cost you about $1 with postage. So the investment here is not that great. And when he got finished with his list, double-checked everything and confirmed that, yes, here was a list of people, we had 256 people on the list. So now we just had to write the letter. So the letters were personalized, and it basically said, hey, I was thinking about you the other day and realized it's been a while since I've seen you. I thought I'd write you this letter just to be sure everything's okay. Nothing salesy there, is it? Great. And the letter went on to say, I was hoping you'd be able to stop by, even if it was just to say hello, and while you're here, I'm going to offer you this crazy bribe. Now, that's basically the gist of the letter, and it was just a simple letter, nothing serious. Long story short, he was able to calculate all the revenues generated by that letter over the last month. He sends me a message this morning, he's all excited. That letter generated $4,680. So my question to you is, would you invest that $256 to generate $4,680 worth of business? I'm thinking you probably would. So the formula is simple. Identify that low-hanging fruit, which is generating a list of customers who you have not seen from 90 to 180 days. Second, go ahead and pluck that fruit, sending them a letter just like that. Hey, I was thinking about you. Hope everything's okay. Stop by and say hello. And while you're here, I've got this great offer for you. Thirdly, you're going to be able to replenish this because every month you're going to go into your records and dig out the people who you have not seen from 90 to 180 days or somewhere in that range and regenerate that list. So that's the simple system. It's really just that easy, and it's not difficult at all. And what's best is you've already got all the tools you need to actually make it happen. If you have any questions about that, you can go ahead and drop them in the comments below. I respond personally to each one of those comments. If you want more information, there's a link below here to ask me anything. That's an email message that gets right to my inbox. And if you're really excited about this, go ahead and tickle that like button. Feel free to share this video with any one of your shop owner friends or post it on any of your Facebook page boards. But better than that, while you're here, in the description below, go ahead and register for my free training course. I said it was totally free. Double your car count in 89 days without wasting any of your hard-earned dollars on that money-sucking advertising. On that course, I'm going to show you how to compete in your market regardless of who you're competing against. New car dealers, big box, competitors down the street, or even the mobile guys. I'm going to show you how to virtually eliminate that competition. I'm going to show you how to actually get customers to refer you to friends, family, co-workers, and associates. And I'm even going to detail an almost sneaky tactic that you can use to get 100% perfect reviews every time, all the time. Hey, my name's Matthew Lee. I really thank you for watching this video. Can't wait to see you on the free training. Take care and talk soon. Don't forget to subscribe for more.